In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up game save files on Steam. Backing up your saves is a simple habit that can protect hours of progress from accidental loss, device issues, or reinstalling your system. We'll keep this quick and clear, and by the end, you'll have a safe copy of your game data. Start by closing the game you want to back up, so the save files aren't being written to while you copy them. Then, open your file manager. This might be called File Explorer, Finder, or simply Files, depending on your operating system. Once it's open, navigate to your Documents folder under your current user profile. This is one of the most common places where Steam games store save files. Inside Documents, look for a folder named after the game you're playing. If you don't see the game's title, check for a folder named after the game's developer or publisher. Many games group their saves under the developer's name instead of the game's name. Open that folder, and you should find the save data. It's often labeled something like Saves, Save Data, Profiles, or similar, and may contain files and subfolders that hold your progress and settings. Now it's time to copy the data. Select the save files or the entire save folder so you keep everything together, then copy it. Create a backup location where you'll store your copies. For a local backup, you can paste the files into a dedicated folder on another drive or a clearly labeled Backups folder on your computer. A helpful tip is to name the backup folder with the game title and today's date, so you always know which version is which. If you prefer an off-site copy, upload the same save folder to a third-party cloud storage service you already use. Just drag and drop the folder into your cloud drive or use your provider's upload option. Keeping a cloud copy ensures you can recover your progress even if something happens to your device. After copying, double-check that the backup folder contains the files you selected and that the sizes look reasonable. It's a small step that gives peace of mind. Repeat this process whenever you make significant progress or before making changes to your system. Backing up regularly means you'll always have a recent restore point. And that's all there is to it. Open your file manager, head to Documents, find the game or developer folder, locate the saves, and copy them to a local backup or your preferred cloud storage. With this quick routine, your Steam game progress stays safe and sound.